Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an HP 64 cartridge in your HP Tango printer. A brand new HP Tango includes the HP 64 black and tricolor setup cartridges, and cartridges are sold in a standard yield and high yield or XL size, which offers more prints per cartridge. Replacing a cartridge in this machine is easy. First thing you want to do is just open up the cartridge area here by just pressing on the indented button on the top of the printer. And that'll lift up the flap here. So we're going to be replacing the black cartridge today, so let me grab a brand new HP 64 black ink cartridge and we'll open that up and then continue with the installation process. Now I've got a brand new black cartridge here, so let's go ahead and open it up. And I actually like to do the rest of the cartridge preparation process over a trash can. So let's grab a trash can really quick. Okay, so let's continue the process. First thing you want to do is just take off the orange piece of tape here. You can just remove it by gently pulling on it here. And we'll throw that away. And you'll notice here on the top of the cartridge some gold contacts. While you're doing this, be sure not to touch the contacts with your fingers. Fingerprint oil or just dust getting on those contact points can sometimes cause a faulty connection in the printer. So just be aware of that while you're doing this and be careful not to touch those contacts. Okay, so now that we've got the cartridge prepped, we'll go ahead and continue the installation process. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just remove the depleted black cartridge. And you can just pull on it like that, take it out, put in the brand new HP cartridge. Slide it back into the same slot, and then be sure to make sure that the clip on the top snaps over the cartridge so it's secure. So you can just pull down on it like that, and it's nice and snug in the printer. We'll close it up, press that button one more time, and we're all set. We can start printing. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.